Do you know the power of Google My Business for your dealership? Did you know that Google My Business can drive more than 50% of your organic search traffic to your website? And what about search traffic that doesn't end up on your website? Are you capitalizing on no-click searches? It's true. Google is prioritizing zero-click searches in 2021. That's why we've developed Enhanced Google My Business to help you take advantage of all of the new features and opportunities for automotive dealers that Google My Business has to offer. Now, you have more ways to show up in the local map pack, not only for your main sales listing, but also your service and parts departments, and even your used inventory. Google My Business is more than a business listing. It can move inventory. One dealer with enhanced GMB moved 97% of their highlighted pre-owned VINs in under 90 days using a targeted GMB posting strategy. From strategic inventory listings to highlighted specials, your dedicated specialist creates monthly content and optimizes all of your department listings using the latest GMB features, best practices, and industry tips and tricks. Stay at the forefront of new Google opportunities with a dedicated GMB strategy. Show up for more keyword searches in your area. Take advantage of Google's latest cutting-edge automotive features with Enhanced Google My Business.